Hello sweet friends, my name is Tammy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a final house tour of my farmhouse. I'm going to be doing an empty house tour. As you can see, I am actually sitting on a bench and there is some decor still behind me because that is what's being left behind with the house. There are little elements here and there that are going to be left behind, but for the most part it is very empty, and I just want to go through and kind of say goodbye to it one last time. So I hope you guys enjoy as you join me in, saying farewell. So let's go ahead and get started now.
We are still young, and our hearts still run. Come on, be cool. It's our time, let's move. We are still young, and our hearts still run.
Something hit me when I opened my eyes. I was feeling so empty inside. New York looks different without you. I find that all that I want to do is close my eyes, breathe and try to feel close to you. New York looks different without you. I've been walking around thinking about this distance and how I am missing, but I feel so close to you. Taking my time, letting this river gush and be wild. It's all moving, and I need just a minute to be doing nothing. New York looks different without you. I find that all that I want to do is close my eyes, breathe and try to feel close to you. New York looks different without you. I've been walking around thinking about this distance and how I am missing, but I feel so close to you. It's all moving, and I need just a minute to be doing nothing. New York looks different without you. I find that all that I want to do is close my eyes, breathe and try to feel close to you.
The places that I've been,
faces mine are friends, fumbling, fumbling. And though with murky miles ahead, the fates sing softer there, humming slow, they'll hurry in the dark. I hear them calling when it starts. And go, they'll find you in the glen, the horsemen closing in, rumbling, roll, and the wilder blows the wind into the river, raging wide. I'll start again. Sleep while you cut your teeth.
I'm beginning to think the storm that shook me wasn't the ending. That maybe saving, she's hiding inside the breaking and the aching. I'm feeling the weight of love and the emptiness when you lose it. But I won't trade my life to feel safe, so I choose love. I choose love. Oh, this heart is still beating. Just got to breathe in, breathe out. My hope is still healing. Just got to breathe in, breathe out. I get restless, 'cause I can't pretend I've got answers for all of my questions. Grief is a friend and we talk in my head. Is this reckless or acceptance? Oh, oh, oh. This heart is still beating. Just got to breathe in, breathe out. My hope is still healing. Just got to breathe in, breathe out. There's a pace here that I'm still not quite familiar with. There's a noise coming from the fridge and a mess that isn't mine. There's a broken chair that I've been sitting on lately. Feels high, feels so low sometimes. There's a beautiful porch with parts dropping from the ceiling. There's a man enjoying his loneliness as I am sipping. And my body's still, but my open eyes are looking. I like it here, but sometimes I just feel like up and leaving. Can't wait to get home. Can't wait to get home. There are footsteps that are loud, they step on my sleeping. I feel flooded and I'm trying to breathe in. But as we drive, it all just slides. Nothing quite relieves my mind like knowing I am getting closer. Can't wait to get home. 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 Take on my grind, I need to be here. It's mine, my dime. I can't cease to hold on to. For the most, I don't moan, but this all just hits me like a rock. Can't wait to get home.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm, I'll still believe. And when it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe, through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free.